In this short take, I will show you how to use the N4V for WebI Solar Disk widget. For those of you who may not be aware of our feature set, I wanted to quickly review the N4V solution for SAP BusinessObjects Web Intelligence. N4V widget integrates new data visualization components and navigation features, enabling advanced dashboarding in Web Intelligence. N4V Maps allows the integration of offline and online maps and custom plans directly into Web Intelligence. N4V Analysis is a collection of powerful number crunching tables, including our premium data analyzer that bring interactive Excel-like capabilities into Web Intelligence. This will please your organization's most demanding data analysts. And finally, N4V Publisher. It's designed for distributing and updating information outside of the SAP Business Objects platform. The Solar Disk is one of over 60 widgets included in N4V for WebI. The solar disk displays a single measure over a parent-child hierarchy and can render as a disk, hemicycle, donut, or wheel. It can optionally be used with Web Intelligence element linking, using its selection to control the filter behavior of other widgets. Using N4V for WebI is simple. I'll begin by right-clicking on a table block, and from the right-click menu, I'll choose Turn Into and Custom Element. I'll select the solar disk widget from the N4V circulars category. Next, I'll resize the widget to the desired size for my dashboard. Okay, great. So now it's time to format this widget's extensive parameters. So I'm going to select the widget and right click, and then I'm going to select Format Custom Element and Extended Parameters from the menu. So I'm going to begin with our global parameters. I'm going to give the solar disk a title, and I'm going to increase the font and make it bold. And I'm also going to set to a custom color for the N4V blue. I'm going to select a custom color palette for the widget. And then finally, I'm going to set the number format for a United States audience. Okay, next we're going to go to the options parameters. Notice that there are 4 different shapes that you can choose from: the disc, the hemicycle, the donut, and the wheel. So for this example, I'm just going to stick with the default disc. Okay, so the next set of parameters I want to work on is the legend. And so I'm going to display the legend, but I'm also going to allow my users to hide the legend if they think it's distracting or gets in the way. For this one, I'm going to put a frame around it. And I'm going to change the markers. So notice you can have either a round bullet or a square. And just to show you that the legend can be repositioned, I'm going to move it over to the right side of the widget. And I'm going to shrink the point size on the legend values. Okay, next I want to format the measures. So we're looking at revenue here, and so I'm going to add a prefix of a $sign. And I'm going to limit to just whole dollars. So I'm going to set the precision of the measure to 0. And next I'm going to customize the level 1 and level 2 labels. So notice that each level can have its own set of formatting. So on one, I'm going to hide the value, and on the other, I'm going to hide the percentage. Okay, that looks pretty good. So let's test. Okay, so I'm going to go to the main menu under Display, and I'm going to choose Custom Element Interactions. So this allows me to test as a user, even though I'm in design mode. So I'm going to hover over and double check my tooltips at both levels. Those look good. And as with the rest of our widgets, notice that you can use the legend to filter out different dimension values. Okay, that looks great. The solar disk is one of over 60 widgets included in N4V for WebI. These beautiful interactive widgets deliver features that are simply unattainable with Web Intelligence alone. We encourage you to visit our homepage at needforviz.com, where you can access a fully interactive demonstration of the complete offering. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your coworkers, key stakeholders, and executive sponsors. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. You can also follow Need for Viz on LinkedIn and X.